Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the core idea. Pick 1-2 points and stop rewriting. Record one clear opening line, then a short script that maps 3 steps. Use a USB mic or lav for consistent levels. Position it 6-12 inches from your mouth. Once done, run a 10-20 second test take to verify tone and room noise. Make sure to note pacing. Speak slightly slower than normal to aid clarity, and mark pauses where visuals will change. You now focus on the meat. Record several takes per line, a neutral read and an emphatic read, so you have options. Import clips into your editor and assemble the best phrases, cut filler and breathe naturally. Once assembled, normalize to about -3 dB and apply light compression to even out dynamics. Add an ambient music track at roughly 8-12% of vocal level and time it to transitions, so it supports your message without competing with your voice. You finish by polishing sync and export settings. Tighten narration to match visuals on a 16:9 timeline. Nudge audio by frames if necessary. Render a master WAV at 48K HC for archives and export an AAC or MP4 for distribution. Once done, listen on headphones and speakers to confirm balance. If you hear clicks or background hum, apply declick or spectral repair, and use a gentle noise reduction pass. It fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.